I really want PS5 on my birthday.
Oh, I forgot. Sold out, sold out, sold out. Oh, I'll just do this one.
Send me your details for next day delivery.
Ooh, next day delivery if I send my details.
Stop, think, take caution. Always make sure so you're a secure website and the padlock is on like that. It's not
Thank
done.
you.
Ha! A new competition winner. Easy money.
Oh yeah, I won a competition. Oh look, you just need to add your details. Okay, I'll do it now.
Stop, think, take caution. Never give away your private information.
Oh, thank you.
We hope this video shows you the consequences of scamming. Scammers may try to steal your personal information and your bank details. Never click on unsecure websites or links and never answer unknown messages.
Stop!